Welcome to Ouwehands Zoo, located in the town of Rhenen in Utrecht province. The zoo is about an hour from Amsterdam and just over an hour from Rotterdam by car, home to more than 130 animal species. In part one of our adventure, we'll meet the energetic white-handed gibbons, the colorful mandrills, elegant flamingos, the world-famous giant pandas, adorable koalas, and the mighty polar bears. So let's step inside Ouwehands Zoo in Netherlands. Our first stop is the Rothschild's giraffe, one of the rarest giraffe subspecies on Earth. Native to the grasslands of Uganda and Kenya, these gentle giants can grow up to 6 meters or nearly 20 feet, making them the tallest land animals on our planet. The ostrich. Found across the open savannas and deserts of Africa, ostriches may not be able to fly, but they make up for it with incredible speed. They can sprint at nearly 70 kilometers per hour, making them the fastest birds on Earth. Sharing the same habitat is the elegant Grevy's zebra, the largest and rarest zebra species in the world. Native to the dry plains of northern Kenya and southern Ethiopia, every Grevy zebra carries a unique pattern of black and white stripes, just like a human fingerprint. Finally, take a look at the pale-colored antelope with beautifully twisted horns. This is the addax, often called the white antelope of the Sahara, once widespread across the vast deserts of North Africa. Here is the energetic banded mongoose, native to the grasslands and woodlands of eastern and southern Africa. These small mammals never seem to stop moving. Living in family groups that can include more than 30 members, every mongoose has a role. While some search for insects, lizards, and small snakes, others stand guard, watching carefully for predators. Magnificent cinereous vulture, one of the largest flying birds on Earth. Found across southern Europe, Central Asia, and Mongolia, this giant bird can have a wingspan of nearly 3 meters. Although vultures are often misunderstood, they are among nature's most important cleaners. By feeding on animals that have already died, they help prevent the spread of disease and keep entire ecosystems healthy. Without vultures, nature's recycling system would struggle to function. mandrills. Just ahead, it's impossible to miss the colorful faces of the mandrills. Native to the rainforests of Central Africa, they are the largest monkey species in the world. The brilliant blue and red colors on a male mandrill's face aren't just beautiful, they're a sign of health, confidence, and social status. Next, listen carefully. That's the unmistakable voice of the white-handed gibbon. Native to the tropical forests of Thailand, Malaysia, and Indonesia, these incredible apes are famous for their morning duets. Now look closely at the baby banded mongoose as it shows off its acrobatic skills. A mated pair of gibbons sings together every day to strengthen their bond and defend their territory. With arms nearly twice the length of their legs, gibbons are the world's greatest tree acrobats, swinging effortlessly from branch to branch at speeds of over 50 kilometers per hour. Watching them move is like seeing nature's own aerial performers. Eastern white pelicans. Our journey now brings us to the water, where a group of eastern white pelicans glides gracefully across the lake. Native to wetlands across Africa, southeastern Europe, and western Asia, these birds are impossible to overlook. Their enormous beaks can hold more than 13 liters of water, allowing them to scoop up fish with remarkable efficiency. But pelicans rarely hunt alone. They often work together, forming a line and gently herding fish into shallow water before catching them. American flamingos. These elegant birds are the American flamingos, found throughout the Caribbean, Mexico, northern South America, and the Galapagos Islands. Their brilliant pink feathers don't come naturally. They're the result of pigments called carotenoids found in algae and tiny crustaceans that make up their diet. Even more fascinating, flamingos often stand on one leg for long periods. Polar bear. Just around the corner lives one of the most powerful predators on Earth, the mighty polar bear. Native to the frozen Arctic, polar bears survive where winter temperatures can drop below minus 40 degrees Celsius. Standing over 3 meters tall on their hind legs and weighing up to 700 kilograms, they are the largest land carnivores on Earth. But their greatest talent is swimming. Polar bears can travel over 100 kilometers through icy water using their huge front paws like paddles. Built for ice, snow, and freezing oceans, these magnificent animals are true masters of the Arctic. koala now, let's meet another animal famous for sleeping, the adorable koala. Although many people think they're bears, koalas are actually marsupials, meaning mothers carry their babies in a pouch. Native to Australia's eucalyptus forests, koalas spend most of their lives high in the trees. They can sleep up to 20 hours a day because eucalyptus leaves provide very little energy. Their fluffy ears, round noses, and calm personality make them look like living teddy bears. Giant panda, and here they are. The stars of Ouwehands Zoo, the magnificent giant pandas. Awihan Zoo is the only zoo in the Netherlands where you could see giant pandas, making this a truly special experience. These gentle giants come from the bamboo forests of central China. Their iconic black and white fur isn't just beautiful, it also helps them blend into snowy mountains and shaded forests. Here's something amazing. Nearly 99% of a giant panda's diet is bamboo, but bamboo contains very little nutrition, so pandas spend up to 14 hours every day consuming as much as 40 kilograms to get enough energy. Slow, peaceful, and incredibly rare, the giant panda is one of the world's greatest conservation success stories.